Welcome to Quantum X Trades. We're going to do a quick analysis of NOTCOIN, the famous coin that everybody's talking about. A friend of mine just asked me to do a quick analysis. We shall deep dive into this in the upcoming days. So this is the 1 hour chart. We have the following. So we have a move up. I'll speak with a low voice because people are sleeping. So we have a move up, which will be the main impulsive move to the upside. So we have a drop down there, okay, a reaction coming down. So here we see something like 3 waves. So this will simply be, I'll label this as our A. We'll be waiting for our B somewhere here, and let's put our C up there. Okay, so for now we are in a corrective wave. So from this level up here, we are in a corrective wave, and we see a steep correction which looks like a diagonal. So this in the long run can come to this, we will have our B, and we might have something like this before we can see that move to the upside. So this is a long way, before we can get some crazy moves on NOTCOIN. Of course, it's very popular, but it doesn't mean that it's going to pump and go to the all-time high soon. Of course, we'll be paying attention to BTC to check if it's oh, sorry, that's my alert on BTC. Yeah, it might bother us as we do our TA. All right, so let me remove that. So keep in mind that we have this as our first, which can be labeled as a W or an A or whatever. And we have B, but B is not yet done. We might have this as our B. Okay, so we have a 40% to 35% trade on NOT. Okay, so from our levels where we are right now, we have a potential of grabbing from here to our target area, which is about 35 to 46%. So all you have to do, these are my targets. You can pause and label them on your chart. I'll let you know which chart I'm using. So if we go to, let's go to 5 minutes, which will be visible. So from where we are right now, already it's very important that we have found support at this level, the orange line at the bottom. So our next target is, if we long here, our next exit is there. Of course, we'll wait for some retracement, and where we find support, we can again long, and you can target this area. Okay, we might get rejected there. So all you have to be doing is buying the dips until you reach this target here. So from here, again, you have about, this is about 34 to 45%. So this is what I'm planning to trade on NOT. You can use these same targets. Okay, why do I expect not to go there? So it's simply by analyzing the correction that we have on our left, looking at the reaction that we had here. Looking at the reaction that we had here, we have already 3 waves indicating that we have to move further down. As you can see, we have we're moving and we're ranging, and again we're coming back up, finding support. This coincides with a TA that I did on BTC. If you watch my previous video, you'll be able to see what we did on BTC. So BTC is finding support, which makes this move more likely to go to this area. Once we get there, we might get a rejection, and we shall continue from there. So in the upcoming days, we'll be looking at how our targets will be interacting with the price action. So for now, I'm sure by maybe the end of tomorrow, we should be already hitting the second orange line. So this is about a 5% trade. Okay, so there we go, NOTCOIN. Let's grab the 40%. We shall take it one step at a time. All right, thank you. See you soon. Arrivederci.